You searched how to buy shares of AbCellera Biologics Inc. AbCellera is a biotechnology company focused on antibody discovery and research, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ABCL. This video is educational only and not financial advice, so always do your own research before investing. To buy ABCL, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ABCL to find the AbCellera listing on NASDAQ. Make sure you select the listing that matches the NASDAQ ticker ABCL. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart so you can confirm it is the correct asset. Check that the page shows AbCellera Biologics and the ABCL ticker. Tap the Investor Trade button, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details carefully, and confirm when you are ready. If the market is closed, your order may execute at market open. And if there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Soft CTA. The eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.